Hi everyone, thank you for joining me at Lori Houston Art. We're going to do a quick little bloom on a tray this morning. I am using Color to Go Breathtaking by Sherwin. We're going to go ahead and just lay this paint down in the center. What a gorgeous color. I'm going to have to get more of this because I really do like it. This is an experiment where I am doing a bunch of trays for some pop-ups, and needless to say, even though this one was the bloom, the cell activator did not work, it turned out beautiful. This is Pebeo bluish green, which is a beautiful color. And after Pebeo, this is a Master's Touch pearl blue. They've got a light pearl blue and a dark pearl blue. This is the lighter pearl blue. Then after that is TLP Sapphire, and I just love this color. It just adds so much depth. Then we're going to go back, and the next color that we're using is going to be the Pearlized Blue again. I'm keeping this kind of bluesy, I guess. Then I'm going with Amsterdam Sky Blue Light. And I don't use a lot of this in my blooms, but I do love it in my pearl pours much better, but I need some contrast here. Now, this is a mixture of Cheap Joe's Ultramarine Violet, and I believe I put a little squirt of Golden's Quinacridone Violet as well, the fluid paint. Going back with my Pebeo greenish blue or bluish green. I get them mixed up. I love both of them. And I'm going to use a black cell activator. Pardon me. I am using this is a Prussian blue cell activator. I apologize. I actually made some of this up, and I did add a tiny bit of Amsterdam black in it. So it's very dark. I just haven't had a lot of luck with my cell activators other than black and white for some reason. I don't know if it's just me, the way I'm mixing them. I do 3-to-1, but I have better luck using the black. So this really is a lot more black than it is blue, but I just love these colors. I think that you can see there's not a lot of cells happening here. That's okay. I realize with these trays, it's about how pretty they are. They all, want something that's pretty and matches their decor. And this one, you can see it's so wispy. It kind of reminds me of alcohol ink a little bit, but you can see when I'm pushing that Prussian blue out and sapphire, it's just gorgeous. So I'm really happy. I actually did a set of coasters. They sold before the tray. The tray is already sold as well. So I said, let me just do a video on this. I'm putting it up into the center a little bit. That Breathtaking, it's a light lavender. I just think it's stunning with these colors. And I'm trying to go in with a straw, create some cells that just do not want to happen. But again, I am thrilled with the end result. So I am going to stop jibber-jabbering, and we're going to spin this out, and I will see you at the end. See you there. Okay, let's go up for a close-up. Oh my goodness. Okay, this cell's messed up, and should have showed you more close-up. I just was disappointed with the cells, but wow. All right, let's resin. Look at how beautiful this turned out, and I have it in its little handles in the tray. I love this, and it's sold, and so did the coasters. This was a very popular color. Thank you everyone for joining me on this short little video. I hope you enjoyed this tray. Thank you for supporting me. Take care. Till next time.